all, buddy.
You can eat those.
Hell no.
That's somebody else's line.
Do you feel it?
What's up?
Hopefully not a snake.
Maybe I'm just a very strong man.
Oh, you got
Oh.
a clam.
I hate when that happens. Bastards. You think there's a pearl in there?
Yeah, not these.
That happens to me all the time down on the apple. It's got little clams on it. Oh, those are zebra mussels. First catch of the day. You'll in it all, buddy.
You can eat those.
Hell no. We tried one in Maryland. My God. Or were there oysters?
They were
I
oysters.
remember
The
raw
oysters
ones.
You eat raw.
Yeah. That
Those
is
are oysters.
absolutely fucking horrendous.
It's like a big snot in your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just it. Influenza loogie.
I'm watching the rods.
Okay. Oh, I got two of them. That's why it felt like that. That was a small one, and that one there. Oh, check. So that one can go off. You see how you catch two fish?
Mm-hmm. Let's talk about it. Go play it.
Yeah, just shy. 1 inch.
Shy 1 inch.
I don't think it's massive, but the reel doesn't want to
It depends on how much
fight.
pressure is going against it. Because you gotta remember, I set all those for a certain pounds.
Yeah. I thought nothing was happening, and then all of a sudden, boom, it came and hit.
Oh, there he is. Oh, there's two.
You caught two. Oh, you got a white bass.
Why?
Cool.
They felt so weird. It felt like they were much heavier than that.
Because they're going in different directions.
Take off fish number one. Well, actually, we'll leave that one on because this one's attached
Yeah.
to a treble. So we'll let him hang there for a second. This one doesn't even have a hook. I think he was attached by the line.
I think so too. Oh yeah, he was probably going for it, and then got caught when the other fish took the line.
Booyah.
Palmer. Right there. Okay. Yeah, that felt really weird.
Yeah, two
That was
fish.
so odd.
Yeah, that's a white bass. You caught those before, haven't you?
Nope. She got a couple in Maryland.
White bass?
Yep.
Mhm.
Yeah, they call white bass. Yeah,
They call them
they're
rockfish.
they're big out there
rockfish.
though.
Yeah. No drag.
Yeah, right here on the side.
Yep. I think you got
You
off.
got it. You got off.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Oh my
Oh.
god. Okay, Elena. Take this one.
Might be another clam.
Little one. That one was almost as big as the lure. See how fast they hit those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, your name's gonna be Cutbait. Oh man, we should have got scale on that one.
Yeah,
Caught a fish, didn't get skunked.